Hi, I'm Rosie Batista from iCookNaked.com. Of course, I'm not really naked in the kitchen, but what I'm bringing to you is a naked recipe. And this recipe is baby greens and roasted beets salad. So this is really simple, and I'm showing you today how to make it really quick, especially when you're busy in your fast-paced life and you say, oh my God, Rosie, I don't have time to chop all the vegetables and go pick different kinds of vegetables. So what they sell now, they couldn't make it any easier. They sell cooking greens, baby leaves, baby saute blend that are all ready to cook, and that's what we're going to use. With a little coconut oil, because coconut oil, besides being really good for you with the health benefits, is great to heat up in a pan because it has a really high heat tolerance. And then we have some beets, which I've already done for you, but all I did was take off the greens, scrub it, put it in a piece of tin foil, and throw it in a hot oven at 350 and let it roast, and that's it. And then it came out nice and soft, and I just cut it up. So that we're going to add on to our dark leaves after we saute them in the pan. I'm just going to add the coconut oil to my heated pan. I'm going to add my greens. So as soon as our leaves are nice and wilted, I'm just going to add on the beets. That's about a 5-minute dish. That's it, we're done. Let's go to the plate. This is a 5-minute dish that looks like it took you hours to prepare. You could serve some grilled chicken along with it or some grilled fish, or, oh my God, just eat this whole thing just like that. There's so many phytonutrients and health benefits to this dish. I don't have the time to mention them on this short video. So here's our roasted beet and green salad. And I am Rosie Batista from iCookNaked.com. And I'm so excited about the way I'm going to feel after I eat this amazing, nutrient-rich, packed dish. Ciao for now, while I go chow on my dish.